Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare a basic vanilla cake. This cake was prepared as per the request of a cooking daily friend to show the recipe of my vanilla cake. So I don't have a special recipe for that. So for that the ingredients required are 2 cups of plain flour, 2 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, a little salt, and then sift them 3 times. We sift them 3 times so that all these ingredients mix together well. I prepare every time I prepare. Making a cake is actually subjective, so I'll prepare the cake every time depending upon the mood, the occasion, and the ingredients that are there, and according to the cooking utensils that are available. Separating the egg yolk and egg white, 4 eggs. Put some vanilla essence, adding for essence or flavor. So add some vanilla essence. Whisk the egg white thoroughly so that a fine froth is formed. Then keep aside some of the egg yolk, we need that later, and the vegetable oil, and we will whisk the oil and the egg yolk thoroughly. Then we will add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then mix it well with the oil and the egg yolk. Then the egg yolk we have kept aside. To that we'll add milk, a little bit of milk, 1/4 cup of milk, and a little bit of flour, plain flour, and we'll whisk it. And then we will add this to the cake mix. Then we will whisk all the ingredients together. Now finally we'll add the flour mix. So after the flour mix is added, we won't whisk it, we will mix it gently with a spoon or a ladle. A wooden spoon will be preferable so that the mix will aerate properly. And when after mixing it for some time, now we will put a butter paper in the cake mold. So I have used a simple steel cooker vessel container for this because I want a perfect round one. The cake molds that I have are of different shapes, not of round shape. So I am using a proper round shaped pressure cooker container. Now we'll pour it. So the cake mix that we have made is exactly half of the dish, the cake mold. Now we will bake it in a simple vessel on the gas stove. To see how to do that, you can check my earlier recipe of mint cake, and you have to close it, and to make it more tight we will use a pestle and a mortar and a pestle on top. We will keep as weight. Now after 40 minutes the cake is ready. So you must see when the smell comes properly, baked smell comes, you can remove it, or you can open and check. Now we'll remove the butter paper from the bottom and turn it over. And now the beautiful cake is ready. So I hope you like the recipe. So please do subscribe to this channel, share the recipe with your friends and relatives. Thank you.